This is your practice packet for lesson 2.8, multiplying in different forms. Practice packet on page 14. So you're going through and checking your answers here. For the first thing, what I'm going to do is I will actually mark these. So this first one is 25 over 100. 8 we would write out as 0.8 would be 8 tenths. I'm going to go ahead and reduce them down here. 25 over 100 is going to be 1/4, and 8 tenths would be 4/5. And then looking to see if there's anything that I can reduce. I see the 4s that are across here, and that looks to be about it. So 2 times 1 times 1, 5 times 1 times 5. For number 2 then, I have 1/2 times 30%. 30% would be 30 over 100. Remember, drop your percent sign, put it over 100. 0 and 6 tenths. So reducing then, I'm going to get 3 over 10, and then I'm also going to get 3 over 5 for that last fraction. There is actually nothing for me to reduce here. So 1 times 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 10 times 5. So that would actually, I'm going to switch the order here. 50 times 2 is 100. So I get 9/100ths for my final answer. In number 3, I have 3/4 times 36%, which would be 36 over 100, and 3 tenths. So I'm going to have 3/4, 36 over 100, divide them both by 4, reduces to 9 over 25, and 3 tenths will stay. So looking to reduce here, it looks like there's nothing. So 3 times 9 times 3, if I can flip-flop the order, 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 9 is 81. Down here on the bottom, 4 times 25 is 100, and 100 times 10 is just 1,000 because you add that 0 on. Last example that I have, I'm going to make this first one improper, so I get 5/3. 75% would be 75 over 100, and this is 55/100ths. So go ahead, reduce. 5/3 stays. 75 over 100, divide them by 25, and 55 we're going to divide by 5. And looking to reduce here, I can reduce the 5. 5 goes into 5 once, and it goes into 24 times. The 3s each go into each other once, and 1 times 1 times 11. 1 times 4 times 4 is 16. And that is it for lesson 2.8, the practice page on page number 14.